What's up, online shoppers? Have you ever wished that your room had a smidge more storage space and maybe extra seating? Well, check out this awesome little ottoman that arrives in a super flat box that you can order that will fill that bill. This is a fantastic little collapsible folding ottoman that is rated for over 280 pounds. That means it can be an extra seat for someone, and it all ships in a flat little box. So how about we put it together and you can see how you're gonna want one of these in your space. Now, one of the things that's pretty cool about this is very useful for someone who's going away to college or university. So if you're looking for a really good gift for them, this little storage ottoman might just be a great place to start. First of all, it is adorable and available in a bunch of different colors. This one here is the 11.5-inch square. Let's open it up and put it together, and you'll see just how quick it assembles and just how sturdy it is. Now, I'm impressed with how compact it is, but how well suited it's going to be for a tight space inside of a dorm or a university or even in a small apartment. So you've got an extra seat and you have storage. The other thing I love about it is it literally is about unfolding, which means I don't have to follow instructions or use any tools. I just have to fold it open like that. Now here's the base. It's got a nice little pull on it so that if you need to collapse it down afterwards, you just grab it, but you put it in and it fits in snugly, and then that helps to keep everything sturdy. Now this isn't cardboard, it's actually MDF, and the construction of it, the way it's put together and seamed in along with the reinforcement of the top, this is a seat that will actually hold a 280-pound person sitting on it. So think about it this way. In a dorm, in a space where every inch counts, this is a great little option for you. It folds flat when you don't need it. It can be storage for snacks, school supplies, shoes you're not wearing. It's like having a secret hiding spot for stuff that you don't need right at this moment, but you still want to have handy for when you do need it. Everything that you need stowed away in this beautiful, stylish little seat. Pull it open, pop up the lid, access all of your stuff. It's really a super convenient option and a really thoughtful gift for someone who's moving into a small space. Now, the other place that this is really good might be in your living room if you want to have an extra footstool, or in your bedroom if you want to have a stool for your child. Foam cushion on the top is actually really nice, and I love the finishing detail of upholstery on the top. Whether it's a footstool while you binge Netflix, a convenient hidey space for your games and your controllers, a mini coffee table, or storage for your snacks, this little ottoman is absolutely awesome. From cramped dorm rooms that crave extra seating, hidden storage, and multi-purpose use, this little folding storage ottoman fits that bill all the way across. It's a total game changer, and your dorm or your small space just got cozier and more functional. This one here, I've gifted it before. It is definitely a family favorite at our house.